Here's the best gaming PC under $600. Power-packed and budget-friendly. AMD Ryzen 5, 5600G CPU. Smooth performance for gaming and streaming. Only $137. NVIDIA RTX 3060 GPU. Beats older RTX 2060 in 1080p gaming. $302. Gigabyte B450 MDS3HV3 motherboard. Stable, reliable, and upgrade-ready. $79. G.Skill Ripjaws V 16GB RAM. Buttery smooth multitasking. $59. Crucial P3 500GB SSD. Lightning fast load times. $41. Cooler Master 550 WPSU. Reliable power without breaking the bank. $49. ZIUM mid-tower cabinet. RGB looks that wow. $20. Altogether $600. The perfect 1080p gaming machine that punches above its weight. Follow ctrlV for more awesome tech builds and tips.